Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and environment. Back up critical files to an external drive or cloud and verify the backup works. Next, note your Windows edition and product key so activation goes smoothly. Make a recovery USB 8 GB+ or download recovery media. You'll need it for reinstall. Once done, plug in the power adapter and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Finally, reboot into BIOS/UEFI to set USB as first boot device, so the install can begin. Now you perform the core restore. Boot from your recovery USB or use settings right arrow recovery, right arrow reset this PC. Choose whether to keep files or remove everything. Pick remove everything for a clean slate and make sure to delete old partitions if you want full wipe. Follow on-screen prompts to install Windows, creating or selecting partitions as needed. When installation finishes, install chipset/network drivers first. Run Windows Update and then reinstall apps. Make sure to restore your backed up files once. To finish, activate Windows and set privacy configurations, then confirm Windows Update completed and drivers are current. Rebuild your desktop and restore shortcuts and settings. If you encounter errors, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system files. If the laptop won't boot, recheck BIOS boot order and run a storage health check. Bad SSD/HDD can cause repeats. Make sure to create a system image and recovery drive now, so you won't repeat this process. That tip saves hours if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.